Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through a quick and easy way to clear your search history on Dropbox. Whether you want to keep your searches private or simply start fresh, clearing that history is a simple process that only takes a few steps. Let's dive right in. First, open the Dropbox app on your device. This works whether you're using Dropbox on your phone or tablet, and the steps are very similar for both Android and iOS. Once the app is open and you're signed in, look for the menu or profile icon, typically found at the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, tap on that icon to access the settings menu. This is where Dropbox keeps all its personal preferences and options, so it's the perfect place to manage your search history. After you're in settings, scroll down through the list of options. Keep scrolling until you find the option labeled Clear Search History. It might be near other privacy or account-related settings, so take your time to locate it. Once you see Clear Search History, simply tap on it. Dropbox will ask you to confirm that you want to clear your search history, ensuring that you don't accidentally erase anything important. Confirm your choice, and just like that, your search history will be cleared. Clearing your search history not only helps protect your privacy, but can also make your Dropbox app feel cleaner and more organized. It removes all the previous search terms you've entered, so the search bar will be fresh for your next query. Remember, regularly clearing your search history can be a good habit, especially if you frequently search for sensitive or personal files. It's a small step to keep your digital space safe and tidy. That's all there is to it. With just a few taps, you can clear your Dropbox search history and enjoy a smoother, more private experience. Thanks for watching.